Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I'm going to explain what is HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. So the short form for this Hypertext Markup Language is HTML. How come we got this shortcut for Hypertext Markup Language? Here we have H is here. Then what is the next letter? T. T is here. Text. In text, T is the T. Then we have M. M stands for markup. Here M. And then L stands for language. Here L. So this forms HTML. Short form, it is HTML. Full form, hypertext markup language. So what is the purpose of this HTML or hypertext markup language? Using this language, we can create web pages. Using this language, we can create what? Web pages. The purpose of the HTML language is to create web pages. Now, there is one more term you need to understand. That is website. So what is a website? Website is nothing but collection of related web pages. Collection of related web pages together is called as a website. Fine. So let me take an example of a website so that you can understand what is web page, what is website and all those stuff. So let me take an example of a website. For that, I need a browser. I'll take one of the browsers like Chrome browser. I'll open the Chrome browser and take you to one website. So I've taken you to tutorialsninja.com website. Does this particular website has only one web page? No, it consists of multiple related web pages. Here, whatever the web page that you are seeing on the screen is nothing but the home page. Apart from the home page, you also have contact us page on this website. This is a contact us web page on this Tutorials Ninja website. Similarly, we have register account web page on this website. Similarly, we have login web page on this website. Here, each and every web page, that is login web page, register account web page, contact us web page, home web page, are built with the help of hypertext markup language, that is HTML. Using this hypertext markup language, all these related web pages of this website are built. How can I confirm or prove you that every web page on this website is built with the help of HTML? For example, let's take this login web page of this Tutorials Ninja website. Now, I want to prove you that this particular login web page is built using HTML language. How? So here on this web page, right click on any blank area of the page and select View Page Source option. The moment you select that, what will happen? The HTML code which is written by the developers for building this login web page of this website is coming here. You see, it is nothing but HTML code. So this proves that the web pages, every web page on a website is generally built using HTML language, that is hypertext markup language. So what is the option I have used? View page source option. Right click on the web page, on any web page and select view page source. And then what will happen? You will get the HTML code which is written by the developers for building this particular website page. Similarly, if you want to find, if you want to find the HTML code written by the developers for developing a particular element on a web page, not the HTML code of the entire web page, but I want to particularly find the HTML code written by the developers for developing a particular element on the web page. That particular element can be this login button or continue button, this heading or this text box field, this password text box field or this forgotten password link or any of these options. It can be anything. But a particular element on the web page, I want to find the HTML code written by the developers for building such kind of element on the page. For that, what you have to do is, let's say I want to particularly find the HTML code written by the developers for developing this login button. I'll right click on the login button and select inspect option, not view page source. This time I'm selecting which option? Inspect option. Then you will get the Google Chrome DevTools. Most of you guys, for the first time, when you right click and select inspect option, you will get the Google Chrome tools not on the bottom. You may get on the right side like this, okay? So if you are opening this Google Chrome DevTools for the first time, when you right click and inspect here, most of you guys will get this Google Chrome DevTools on the right side. But what if I want to get this Google Chrome DevTools in the bottom? For that, click on these three dots and select dock to bottom. Okay, then you will get in the bottom. Okay, this Google Chrome DevTools options you will get in the bottom. So this is a better viewpoint I can say to check the HTML code of the page. Now, for this login button, what is the HTML code? I'll right click on the login button and select inspect option. The HTML code written by the developers for building this or developing this login button is getting highlighted here. Okay, this is the HTML code written by developers for developing this login button. So instead of getting the HTML code for the entire web page, if you want to find the HTML code written by developers for developing a particular element on the page, you can use inspect option. What is option? Inspect option. Now, the next item. Who can understand this HTML code? Who understands this HTML code? Here, if you go to any particular web page on a website, do you see the HTML code? No, right? But how come this web page is getting displayed here? Simple thing, guys. There's a concept known as, or software known as browsers. It can be Chrome browser, it can be Firefox browser, it can be Edge browser, it can be Opera, Safari, any browser in the market can understand HTML. The HTML code written by developers can be understood by whom? Browsers. So here in this example, which browser is understanding the HTML? Here when I right click and select inspect option, and this entire HTML code of this page, this entire code of the page is understood by which software? Browser. Browser is understanding this HTML code and and rendering this HTML code in the with a proper UI on the web page. Okay, it is rendered with a proper UI on the website page. So who understands the HTML code in real time? Browsers understands the HTML code in real time, and then these browsers will display this HTML code rendered by going to the HTML code. Browsers understand the HTML code and display that HTML code with a proper UI on the website pages. This is a technology that is generally used by browsers to understand the HTML code and display them with a proper UI on the website pages. Okay, so hope guys you understood what is HTML in this session. It's nothing but hypertext markup language used for creating the web pages. Fine. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.